Hey everybody, this is a walk around a 1962 Chevy Impala SS. It's not an original color, it's actually a volcanic red. It's got a white gold pearl or something in there. I didn't pick it, my dad did, but you can see that gold pop. Really cool color. 327. Thought it was a 350. Turns out it was a 350 block. All the internals are 327. Power pack 327 heads. Not the original transmission. It's a turbo 350. But it's just stock converter. Nothing special about it. Stock cam, I believe, in there. The 327. Whatever 327 came with in 62. Overall, a pretty clean car. Pretty nice ride. Springs are bad in the back. I mean, it just kind of bounces around everywhere. But, need to stiffen up the suspension a little bit. Interior work, I did all the interior. Ordered it from Ciadella Interiors. Actually pretty cool. Nice two-tone. This is off of the Ciadella's called their Andy Boy line. These two colors are bisque and bone. They make everything really easy, man. Nice fit for everything. It was great. Look at the dash. Got a tag. There's some aftermarket gauges in there. B&M shifter. I think it's called a ratchet shifter. Little oh shit grab handle. Needs to be wrapped. It's a good cover on it, but still cool, man. I love this car. I've been working on it for about 2 years now. It was a rust bucket, no floors. Floors are bad. Old cherry bomb exhaust. Motor wasn't running right. I gutted all the wiring. Got new wiring from hot rod wires. It's pretty easy to wire up. It's got all new weather strip all the way around. I like it. Sounds pretty good. That turned engine metal. Dog on the back too much. Underneath, still need to do some paint and clean it up and stuff, but it's pretty solid. Everything underneath is very solid as far as I can tell. I'm not an expert, but ride's nice. Got the dual antennas. Not original, of course, but I thought it was a cool look. Thanks to my Uncle Jesse for that one. Put a hole in there, so I had to find something to cover it up with. Rally wheels. 15/8s in the back, 15/6s in the front, I believe they're 6s. I'm going to eventually put the 8s in the front, put 15/10s in the back as soon as I can make some more room back there and get some bigger tires back there. Cool. Tell me what you think.